Selling XRP on Uphold is super straightforward. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, the platform is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Here's a quick guide to get you started. We'll walk you through each step to ensure you can sell your XRP with ease. First, log in to your Uphold account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up and complete the verification process. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage all your assets and transactions. Now look for the Transact button and give it a click. This button is your gateway to buying, selling, and transferring assets. Next, you'll see a list of your assets. From there, select XRP. This will bring up the options for what you can do with your XRP. In the From field, make sure XRP is chosen as the asset you're selling. This ensures that you're selling the correct cryptocurrency. Then, in the To field, pick the fiat currency or cryptocurrency you want to receive in exchange. Uphold offers a wide range of options. It could be USD, EUR, or even another crypto of your choice. The flexibility allows you to tailor the transaction to your needs. Enter the amount of XRP you want to sell. You can sell a portion of your holdings or the entire amount, depending on your strategy. Double-check all the transaction details to ensure everything's correct. This step is crucial to avoid any mistakes. Once you're ready, hit confirm. That's it. The transaction will be processed, and you'll receive a confirmation notification. Your funds will show up in the destination account you selected within Uphold. Simple, right? The platform ensures a seamless experience. Whether you're cashing out or trading for another crypto, Uphold makes the process hassle-free. The platform's design prioritizes user convenience. Thanks for watching and happy trading.